How to make a split screen in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by loading your footage into CapCut and drag the first clip onto your timeline. If you want to change the aspect ratio of your video, you can do this by clicking into this box here. This will bring up a list of aspect ratios so you can customize it for what you need. To position the clips, you have to come into the video. With this selected, you will see this box around your video clip, and then you can just simply drag it to where you want it to be. In this example, we're making a 2-video split screen, so I'm going to scale this so that it fits halfway down the video. The next step is to bring in your second video. We can do this by clicking and dragging just like we did originally. This is going to load the video on top of this video clip. The next step is to drag this down like so. Scale it in the exact same way we did before. If you're doing 3 videos, you may not need to do this. And once you're happy, you can just click out of it like so. Now if we play this back, we have created that split screen effect, and that's all there is to it.